Hello, this is the Longwood Public Library presenting Crafty Wednesdays with your host, Elma. How's it going, guys? I hope you're having a great day. Those were just a little sample of your supplies. You can find that on the web, and this is how it's going to look because that was my first one. You're going to remove the glass. You're going to tape it down to your pattern. Pattern is also on the website if you go to the calendar, and it will say pattern here or supplies here, and it will have also instructions. You're going to take your glass and you're going to clean it with alcohol. Make sure that it's dry. This project by no means is a quick project. It is a two-step project and it will take a little while. Take your time. Nobody's in a rush. We're home. We're just creating. We're taking our time. And the reason I want to take my time with this is because I want to show you something along the way. You're just going to try to lift up your glue gun. I learned that. Try to lift up your glue gun a little bit so that the lines as you go along with your glue are a little straighter, not so bumpy. But you see that I made like a little too much glue in there, but I'm going to show you what to do in a little bit on how to get rid of that. Just keep gluing. Just keep gluing. And this video is 2 times faster than the normal speed. Although it doesn't look like it, does it? And I went around the flower first and then I go on to the others. But see, I made like a really big glob of glue there. But you can remove it. I used a knife. Be careful. You can remove it. And then you're going to use your alcohol to clean that bit of glass, let it dry, and re-glue. Simple as that. Wipe, wipe, wipe. Now, once you're all done, and I'm not going to have you watch me do this till the end, you're just going to keep on gluing, and you'll see once you're all done, once the glue is dry, you can remove the pattern from the back. I did not, I forgot. I made my first one at work and totally forgot to remove the backing. Oh, I thought I'd add a little humor there. Are you guys chuckling? Because I thought that was pretty funny. I have a strange sense of humor. You're going to take your Elmer's Glue All clear. And see, that was my first one. Now, I was going to use a toothpick. You can. I wound up using my little brush. You're going to take the bottle of clear glue all and you're going to fill in the well in between the lines. Then you're going to take your food coloring. I did say food coloring. And you're going to drop it in that well and then mix it up. Now, if you don't want it that dark, you can go lighter, put it on a plate, and then put it, dab your brush on the paint, on the food coloring. Oh my God, you think I need my coffee. Okay, so you're going to you can make it lighter by putting the food coloring on a plate, taking a dab, and then putting it in the glue. It'll make a lighter color. It depends on how you like it. I go a little heavy. My colors are a little dark. You'll see. So what I did was I did everything, you know, my big squares in the blue, my middle squares on either side of the flower in the red. Then I did a little orange, the flower petals I made yellow. Now remember that you can make different colors with your food coloring if you have primary colors. Blue and yellow make green, red and blue make purple. So do what you like. I'm just showing you how to do that again. Again, you're filling in the well in between the lines, and then I took my food coloring. I could have gone lighter. It probably looks better lighter, but you just keep swishing it around. Swish, 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 until that's all done. And you're going to keep doing this progressively as you go along. Pick and choose the colors you want. You might want to take your pattern and color it in with crayon or marker and see what colors you want to use. Remember, you're using food coloring and you may only have primary colors. So keep that in mind. And I am already done with the red, and I put my little green in the middle, and now I'm adding my little orange. And I'm not going to keep doing this and having you watch. I'm going to go to the next step, and that's what it's going to look like. It's all wet. Do not, and I repeat, do not move it. We're going to be waiting. Tick tock, tick tock. Now it's totally dry. You're going to wait all night or all day, at least for a day, 24 hours. Let it dry. Once it's totally dry, you can see that it's see-through. I have no idea how to get rid of the bubbles. The next step, you're going to use an oil-based Sharpie. I used silver since it's closest to the lead coloring. And you really have to shake this up, bounce it up and down, sort of like has a little clicky kind of thing until the paint starts coming out. And then you're going to go over the glue lines, just the glue lines. And if you get it onto the color, let's say onto your blue or green, you'll see you can take a little bit of the alcohol, maybe a Q-tip. I used a little piece of paper towel, and you can just wipe it right off of the glass area. So okay, I'm showing you this again because once this is done and you remove the backing, the pattern off the back, you're going to lay this flat on a surface and make sure that your surface is covered so that you're not getting glue on your table or anything. This is what it's going to look like once it's finished and the lines are colored in. I put it back on the frame. You can glue it onto the frame, or like I did, I used the tabs that are in the back. I think it came out pretty good. I will see you the next time on Crafty Wednesdays. This is Elma Lugo for the Longwood Public Library.